Hello friends, and welcome to today's video. In this video you see that I have this application displayed on my PC, and it helps me a lot in terms of activating and deactivating certain features on my PC. So for instance, when I go and click on current user, you will see that I can disable and reset advertising ID info. This is something very important. Disable transmission of typing information. They are all very important, and the recommendation is yes, you want to disable it. But before then, you want to create a system restore point. When you try to deactivate the first option, this will come, and remember, this step is strongly recommended. So click yes and continue, and when you do so, you can then come back and deactivate all those that you want to do. If you don't know what it's about, look at the recommendation on the right hand side. It tells you whether the answer is yes or limited, or if you should leave it, it will be stated there, but you don't have to follow it. You can also read the details to understand exactly what this is about. And when you scroll down, you can see that there are a lot of other options that you can activate or deactivate all in one place. It is not now that you are going to go to your settings and look for a particular application to activate or deactivate. No, this is so easy. You can just do it all in one place. But how do you get it? Go to my Google Chrome and search for ShutUp10, and click enter. It takes me to this web page. We click the first link and it takes me here, and you say download. It's a very small file. You can just download it in a few seconds, and that's it. Right after download, you open it and it opens this way. You're good to go. If you like the video, please subscribe, share and like, so that you'll be motivated to do more. If you have any tech question, phone, laptop, tablet, any difficulty, you can leave it in the comment section and I'll get right on it.